Hi guys, Mikhail here from Device Deal. Today we're looking at the new Dynabook laptop series, the C40 range. Now there's a few different options in this one, so you've got ones to kind of counter for every need, but today we're going to do a bit of a general overview and show you about who's this for, who's it's made for, and what's the purpose. And we're going to show you a bit of an unboxing as well, and to show you what's inside, kind of go through the specs and features of this laptop, and then just bring it all back together. Alright guys, now we're going to unbox the laptop, show you exactly how it comes and what's inside. So as we open it up, you'll have your cover on top. You've got your laptop in your protective case here. As you can already see, it's a really nice small size, which we've already touched on before. Beautiful color. Put that to the side. You've got some quick start guide and your warranty information as well. And then lastly, your power cords and power adapters. So very basic, really minimal, which I think is good. The whole box itself is a nice small size. It doesn't take too much to get this set up. We've got the power cables as mentioned. The lead is probably about 1 meter or so long, enough to get you covered. And then the actual charger itself also gives you a bit of an extension as well. So you've got a few meters to play with as far as your charging ability goes. And then also, if we're going to just take a look at the ports real quickly. So this is what I think I love about this laptop. It's a small size, and my experience with laptops, especially in the smaller size, is that you usually have to sacrifice ports. So someone like myself that's used a MacBook device before, the new MacBooks, you get no ports. You get 1 or 2 USB-Cs and that's it. Now that can be quite inconvenient for a lot of business or office type use, where you'll need to have a lot of different devices connected. So on this one, we can see we've got your HDMI, you've got a USB 3.0 on one side, USB-C, then on the other side, you've got another USB 3.0, a LAN port, and a headset port, and one that I'm a big fan of myself, micro SD card slot. Now I find that very, very handy, just because a lot of computers or laptops don't have SD card readers at all. And if you're someone that uses security cameras, or for example, we sell Arlo cameras that use a SIM card, an SD card for local storage. If you were using a product like that, you can just chuck it in here and view all the storage on your laptop real quick without any adapters. Okay, so you might be asking, why should you buy this? Who's it for? Why did they make this laptop? Well, at 14 inches, it comes in that really nice mobile size. So these days, a lot of people, you may be working from home, or you're someone that does a lot of work trips or meetings. You need to take your laptop with you. So at the small size this is, it's extremely mobile and portable, and super light as well. So it's really for those guys that just are on the move all over the show, or even working from home as well. It's really kind of emphasized for that workplace business, or even just home personal use. But I guess the strong emphasis in the creation and the make of this laptop is to be slim. As you can see, it's nice and thin and small as well. You've got a nice kind of stylish, slick touch as well. It's got a beautiful kind of blue to blackish color. And again, just emphasizing that small size and mobility at the light weight as well. You can take it with you anywhere, and it's suitable for pretty much anyone's needs. So now we're going to dive into the specs and features of the laptop. So first of all, the backbone, the processor. This is running a new 11th gen Intel processing chip. You also go running, as far as the operating system goes, you've got the Windows 11 Pro, so newest up-to-date operating system as well. We've already discussed that it's a 14-inch size screen with an IPS panel. You've got SSD as your storage, so really fast storage capability. You've got expandable RAM memory, so that's great, so that you can expand that to your liking. You've got Intel Iris graphics, battery life kind of averaging around 10 hours. You've also got your Bluetooth 5.0 and it's Wi-Fi 6 compatible. So you've also got your webcam and built-in speakers. Now, of course, the benefit of the webcam is for anyone that uses this for a business purpose. You know, you want to do your Zoom meetings or Skype meetings, have those video conferencing calls, especially for those working from home. Having a built-in webcam is obviously extremely handy without having to carry any extra cables or hardware around with you. You've also got antibacterial coating on the keypad and onto the touchpad as well. So in this kind of crazy COVID world, it's an extremely handy little feature that they've included in here to keep it nice and hygienic as well. Security is at the forefront of the new Dynabook C40 range. It's got a security slot here that can support a secure cable lock. So, you know, to just keep it nice and safe, ensure that it can't be nabbed from any unsecure location. And then going back to the USB-C port, I just want to emphasize briefly the importance of this port, especially in this day and age. It allows you to connect to things like a docking station, so if you want to connect more devices or to connect to multiple monitors or anything along that sort. That USB-C is this like kind of new universal cable now where all devices are leading towards to allow you to expand not just the use of the laptop itself, but allow you to use it in other functions with other abilities as well. So the specific model we're looking at today is the Dynabook Satellite Pro C40-J model. So the one we've got in front of us is an i7 processing chip, and as I mentioned before, it's part of that 11th gen Intel processing chip in the i7 range. You've got a 512 gig SSD. So for those of you who already know, SSD is incredibly important in this day and age, just that really super fast read and write speed of accessing files and opening programs. It comes with 16 gig RAM, and it can be expanded to 32 gig as well. So if you're a business that, you know, does quite a lot of things, or you use very, I guess, RAM intensive programs, then this is a device that can easily support that and then some. All right, guys, so there you have it. So we looked at the Dynabook C40 range today, and the specific model we had with us in front of me is the C40-J range. So again, just to go over, you know, who this is for. This is really kind of focused towards either business or personal use. There's a real focus on the mobility due to the 14-inch size of the screen, and then also the lightweightness of it. So it's really easy to take that to all your different business meetings, or you're going to take it interstate on the go. If you're a student, you're going to take it to and from school or uni. It's really easy, lightweight, not going to be a pain on your back or your shoulder. You've got some really high-tech specs for something especially of this size, and you've got a whole heap of ports, including USB-A at the 3.0 range, so it's got nice speeds there. You've got your USB-C, HDMI, RJ45 for your networking stuff, and then a micro SD card slot, and of course your AUX for headphones. So it really fits in everything that you need to in a small laptop, which is a really nice feature because, as I discussed earlier, the smaller laptops these days generally sacrifice a lot of the ports to get that size on it. So this gives you both the size and still the functionality of the ports, and still keeps it lightweight and nice and thin. So guys, be sure to check out our website at www.devicedeal.com.au. We've got not only the whole range of the Dynabook series and other models as well, but we also have buying guides for those that, you know, might need some assistance in actually, you know, looking at what you need before buying a laptop. We've got buying guides for not just laptops, but security cameras and hardware and printers and everything else. I just definitely recommend to check out the website. There's everything there that you need to help you out. On top of that, we've also got extremely friendly staff service. We're contactable via phone, online chats, and emails as well. So if you want to have anything to do with us, please feel free to give us a ring or an email. So guys, I thought that wrapped it all up for you. Hope you like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.